Hello and welcome to SEO Rank Digital, your guide to simple and smart digital marketing. Today we are talking about two important things. What is digital marketing and how can AI, artificial intelligence, help you grow your business faster? Even if you're a beginner, don't worry. I'll explain everything in a simple and easy way. What is digital marketing? Digital marketing means promoting your product, service, or business using the internet. It includes many things like running ads on Google or Facebook, posting on Instagram or YouTube, sending emails to your customers, creating a website or blog. In simple words, it's a way to reach people online instead of using old methods like flyers or posters. And the best part, you can target the right people by age, location, interest, and even behavior. What is AI? AI means artificial intelligence, smart technology that learns and works like a human. For example, YouTube shows you videos based on what you like, that's AI. When you shop online and get product suggestions, that's AI. When your phone completes your sentence in a message, that's AI too. In digital marketing, AI helps us work faster, smarter, and make better decisions using data. Part 3. 5 ways AI helps in digital marketing. Let's look at 5 simple ways AI can help you in digital marketing. 1. Content writing. AI tools like ChatGPT can help you write blogs, ads, captions, or emails. You just give a topic and the AI writes it for you in seconds. Smart messaging. AI can track what your customer is interested in. Then it sends the right message or offer to the right person at the right time. Chatbots for support. Many websites use AI chatbots. These bots can chat with visitors anytime, day or night, and answer their questions, predicting customer behavior. AI studies your customers' activity like what they click and what they buy and what they tells work best. This helps improve your marketing plan and grow your business. Ad targeting and optimization. Facebook ads and Google ads use AI to show your ads to the perfect audience. It helps save money and increase the chance of getting clicks or sales. Real life examples. Let's take a look at how big companies use AI. Amazon shows you products based on your past shopping. Netflix recommends shows based on what you watch. Spotify plays songs that match your mood and taste. Even small businesses are using AI tools to write content, run ads, and support customers, all on a small budget. So, to keep it simple, AI is changing digital marketing. It saves time, gives better results, and helps even small business owners and compete with big brands. You don't need to be a tech expert, just learn to use a few tools and you can start growing your business online. Thanks for watching this video from SEO Rank Digital. If this video helped you, give it a like, subscribe for more, and comment below. Do you want a video on free AI tools for marketing? We are here to help you grow online, step by step. See you in the next video. Until then, keep learning and keep growing with SEO Rank Digital. Thank you.